Go with 1100 bits. Much love, bro. Much love. Much love. Holy shit. All right, so let's skim through this. In this world, there is a good. Okay, in this world, there's good and there's evil, and then there will be enlightened. Okay, Rouge, and one of the most enlightened groups in on this planet are none other than Church of Rouge, of course, because they're fucking beastly. Let's go. Rouge followers have been around. Wait, hold on. I thought it actually moves. It transports? What the fuck is this? Rouge followers have been around for centuries, spreading their knowledge and wisdom across the globe. And he's planetary. They make it their duty to eradicate all threats to Rouge and increase his following for eons to come. That's mad fucking like, yo, that's some straight like, that's some straight up God Emperor shit. That's some Warhammer shit. And instead of God Emperor, it's Rouge. You may ask why. Why they dedicate their lives to this being. What the fuck? It's on the moon. Wait, so we saw a picture of the moon? All these, what? Church of Rouge is on the moon. Simply put, they just love Rouge for some odd reason. Open. Welcome back, Pope God. We hope your mission was successful. Please follow us to the cathedral. All right. So we have this girl, a Secretary of Rouge, Felicity. The council is waiting for you inside. We also brought your robes. And then Church of Rouge, Deacon Monk. Oh wait, Deacon Mook? Yeah, Deacon Mook. My Pope, please try to be more punctual in the future. They already ate all the Rouge snacks while waiting for you. Rouge may have what the fuck is this? Rouge have mercy on my soul. Let us hurry. And then boom. Okay, every time, like, is that how this rolls? Like, is that how the deity of Rouge rolls? Like, does he appear as a phantom every time? Like, oh shit, amongst the stars, a smile. Like, is that how he works? Like, goddamn, dog. Like, he's mad aggressive as for a deity. 2 days before the attack on Cole. Praise you, Rouge. Ma D Monk. And oh my god. I was gonna praise you, Rouge, after lunch. You wanna come? Sure, yeah. Good day, my Pope. Praise you, Rouge. Good day. Oh my god, peace be upon him. Like, might as well at this point in time. Peace be upon. Holy shit. Slip, green, ding, shine, yeah, Pope. Praise Rouge. Sorry I'm late. Hope I didn't cause too much trouble. Third, there's multiple popes. Third Pope Rouge, God. Pope God, it's good to see you again. Church, okay, so that's Abdu, of course. And then that's Cobra. Okay, Church of Rouge, Bishop. My Pope, the council's waiting. Open. The green light shines. The council. Well, it's about time. The Council of Elders. What the fuck? Why? Man, it's a straw! Nice straw, though. That's a King Lightning straw. That's a King Lightning straw. Easy clap. Okay, here we go. So, aren't you supposed to be setting an example? Come on, God. Fourth Pope of Rouge, Calc. Big Ben. Yeah, nice job, Big Ben. Fifth Pope of Rouge. Fucking that's all we get. Rouge Priest, Omni. Rouge Archbishop. Nocturbo is an Archbishop, not even a Pope, an Arch. Damn. That's fine. What the, my man, are you fucking like, what are you? Fucking goddamn entity. Can we get on with this already? My Rouge cake is in the oven. Rouge this, Rouge that. What in the name of Christ Almighty is this? I kind of see what you're about. Rouge Cannon? Madness? Go back to page 2. Look at the porch. What do you mean? Oh my god, dude. Revan, you know... Revan, you know it doesn't set a good precedent when you spam as a mod. Just saying that. This is page 2. The table page. Okay. Okay. The portraits. Alright, there you go. Alright, thank you. Uroge in the middle. Oda right there, of course. Another height. Who the fuck is this? David? Wow, huh? One to this. Aizen NL equals King Lightning. No, Wolverine? Is that? Is that Hugh Jackman? I can't even tell. What the fuck? By the way, Reverend, good stuff with the dog reader. It's Pope David. Oh, okay. Back to this shit. How does he go to the bathroom? How do you function as a living entity? Uroge Archdeacon, Green Travel, and then Magnus. Revan, I would have noticed. I mean, because Revan, like, we don't have that many cats in the stream today, so I would have noticed. We have like what? Yeah. So like I can understand if you spam when there's like One Piece stuff, fine. But right now, like, this is a little bit unnecessary. My apologies. The mission took longer than expected. Forgive me, Uroge. Well, now we can finally get this meeting started. Then, ding! Most of you have returned from your mission successful, but there are some. Okay, mission today. Uroge Canon Zaru. Our Canon Zaru is still out on the field. He was given a very special mission. Zaru. He's currently in the cave of L. Tough ass cave. Many unfortunate souls caught the L trying to pull out this legendary sword, but Zaru is used to taking L's. He's the perfect man for the job. Okay, fair enough. Archdeacon Dread is currently with the Crusaders. Apparently, they have been looking into special activities involving one of the Viking lords. Of course, that's me. Although at this very moment, Dread is tracking down a notorious heretic. Also, while we're on the topic of members, I'd like to nominate a candidate for the next help of Uroge. He's without a doubt Pope material. And then, okay, this guy. So I think I've heard. Dra? Is that his name? Is Dra? Or is that just a sound effect? What? Oh, nutty. Oh, Roche. We have a code. Snacks. I repeat, code snacks. Yo, code snacks. Oh shit, Uroge has to step in. Yo, we inbound right now. Fucking lads over there. These guys can live on the surface of the moon and press. What's going on right now? Where we at? Get him, boys. What the fuck is this? Code Snacks! We invaded shit! My man right now looking like Kingpin. What the fuck? Mass. Keep pushing forward, men. They suck. code snacks. They suck. Yo. Oh. Wait, my followers, my lads. Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh shit, Cracker, what the fuck? It's number 6 Arabian. Oh, what the? Oh, this is wild. Okay, wait a minute now. Is this a bit? Okay, is this a bit dangerous to have only 4 Arabian Nights at the castle? Even all the tier high bells were sent to the Uroge temple. What is this? Big boss! No one would be foolish enough to attack with the wild legend there. Plus, Revan, don't worry too much. Fucking big boss, looking like King right now. Like Cracker, all right, like gladiator gear, that's pretty damn dope. But big boss, looking like a fucking entity, looking like a goddamn mask right now. What the fuck? It's clean. Dragon Man, Dragon Man. Watch this. Drat is me. Really? Drat is. And I'm also the guy God trains with in the season. Okay, that's why I forgot, because you have the same scar. Okay, Dragon, what the fuck? Making some gains. God damn, son. Mad powerful right now. Well, I'm glad King put me on this mission. I get to take out some cultists and steal their money, true. For the king, of course. For the king, of course. I have to tell the popes, and this girl runs away. What the fuck was that? An attack, but only the church can get access to the main base. Fucking wrong, dude. Please, my brothers, my Uroge kin, calm yourselves. Let's evaluate the situation in an orderly manner. Run, and then slam. I'm assuming that's the girl. My pope, we're being attacked by the Raikou Lord King of Lightning army. There is a battle outside the cathedral right now. King of Lightning? What? Yeah, that's right. This greedy bastard. Yo, I don't ask for much. I don't.
But if you're,
it's up to you what you want to do. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. This greedy bastard. Cole is trying to spread his influence even beyond Earth. How the hell did he gain access up here anyways? This is the perfect chance for a counterattack. While his forces are low, Cole has been a problem for years now. His reign needs to end now. Wait, do we have the manpower to launch an attack plus protect the church as well? We'll be completely exposed. We have all the manpower needed. Okay, Monty, okay. With the help of the local Monty, and the strength of the Crusaders, we still stand a chance. And then all right, so look, man, I'm gonna have to go through this last one because apparently that's longer than I thought they were. So I'm gonna have to go through this one later. It is what it is. So I have to go. My master should be able to help, well, unless we only for like 30 or 40 minutes, which I think should be able to help us as well. Cole attacked, my master should be able to help us as well. Cole attacked Topia not too long ago, so I did, really. So he'll definitely want to help his downfall. What the fuck, okay. Let's hurry, we don't have time to waste. We can't let the temple get compromised, damn it. Another temple. Okay, so here we go. Wait, damn it! Are other temples going? Wait, like what? Like the fucking Church of Katakuri and shit? Oh fuck! You take the remaining council and check the temples. Calc and I will take care of Cole's forces. And then whoosh. Now Turbo, Madness, Omni, and Green Traveler. Make sure the remaining temples are secure. I don't want any more surprise attacks. Okay, no doubt. And then, don't worry, we got this. I know how do you function? This is the last time Cole's Greed will run rapid. Rapid? Fuck. I think rampant? Fuck. And then have Uroge will see that his evil is vanquished. Fucking, I beat Uroge. I low diff the man. Don't worry, don't go too crazy out there. Go with everyone. Everyone move out, and then we have the Praise Rouge. Another rat sneaking in. What the fuck? Rat, squeak, looking. A man over here, coughing up blood. Gets thrown away. Teeth being lost. I'm losing henchmen. Warrior of Rouge, Ox system. How dare you desecrate his sacred domain? You disrespect Rouge, you fiends. Oh shit. Ox system. Man charges in there, you will pay. And then Cracker, yo, Cracker over here. Yeah, coming in hot. No, Big Boss didn't even flinch, so you know Cracker's the real deal. Big Boss didn't bring a fucking sweat. That's the real deal. Nani? Ritz Crackers! Ritz shield. Nice. Fucking nice. Fool. You're too weak to bring my crackers. Now get out of my face. What? A ram? A bull? What the fuck is this? It's a fucking... Did he make a cracker ram? Animal cracker. Holy shit. That's actually kind of fucking dope. I dig that. It's stupid, but I dig it though. Man got fucked up. Boom. This power. Some of my ribs are broken from just one hit. Charge. Buckwheat. Oh, fucking buckwheat. Oh, shit. I dig that. No. Buckwheat. No. Buckwheat. Oh, huh? No. These motherfuckers, bro. Calc. Fucking goddamn it. Big one. It's about time they sent an actual threat out here. I almost fell asleep. Oh, fucking no. Big Boss is Kingpin. Goddamn. Real fucking deal. You guys must be the popes of the road. Finally. I can let... Ooh, Tristan playing. I like it. Finally. I can cut. I can let loose a bit. Let me handle it, Big Boss. These Rouge freaks are as good as dead, and Cracker Boy charging in there with his mighty sword. But I'm guessing these guys are not to be underestimated. Oh, cow. Dash. Knock stop. Shadow dash. Clang. Oh, Shadow Dagger. Clang, clang. Whoosh, dodge. Oh shit, Cracker Boy in trouble. Kick. Cracker Boy. Yo, Big Boss, one of those big guys that's like, he's one of those big guys that one piece that's like instant transit. Sneaks up, teleports. What are these fucking fish? Coming in there with a mighty fucking fist. And all of a sudden, there's a counterattack. Fist of the toe. What the fuck? He has that shit? Fist of the toe. Okay, so that's like a staple move. Gets blown back a bit. Big gavel. Nice! Big Boss is clean. That's all bullshit right there. He died, but that's all bullshit. But what is it? D equals S. Okay, raise to the power of 3. A equals S squared. B equals, okay, so length. What the fuck? Obviously 5 equals length times the height. I was like, what the fuck? 90, like, why 90 degrees here? Like, why is the thing? Okay. Did he just attack with the fucking screens? Wait, hold on. Did he just make like digital screens and he attacked with those fucking screens? What the fuck is this broken shit? That's actually broken. The screens are actually attacking Big Boss. What the fuck? Big boss. Boom. Skirt. This is better. But you were bored though. Don't fucking chicken shit. To think that the Roach Cult had such powerful fighters, we need to end this before it gets out of hand. Alright. Where's the little shit? No one kicks me and gets away with it. Cracker. Focus up, dog. Shadow Bite. Some Shikamaru shit. And Cracker. Okay. To think you guys ever stood a chance. Cole was a fool if he thought the church were pushovers. Motherfucker. Cracker. These guys are tougher. These guys are tougher than we thought. Time we use our trump card, Plan 5 or Plan S. It's time to fucking sell out. What are you talking about? There's no such. See, this is how I know this isn't the real shit. We never sell out in the realm. We never sell out in the realm. We only buy in. Code. How many times? Dear Harry Bells, your time has come. Sell out. I was born for this. Money. Look at this. Sell out. And the money is infused with the Cracker and the fucking Big Boss. What the fuck is this? Selling out. Disgusting. But we don't sell out, we buy in. Selling out. Terrible possesses the ability to temporarily lead their power and allies. The more Terribles, the greater their power. 100, 100, 500, and then 700, of course. The only downside is that your IQ decreases due to I'll do what I can, and everything should be okay. For David, for Roche, for the fucking goddamn realm. So yeah, stay safe, guys. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Have you seen Library of Horror One Piece chapter of Rocks? I've seen it. Well, no, I haven't read it. But I know about it. So I may get to that too at some point during the stream. Um, Later, man, no doubt. Yeah, well, Jock, I'll catch you guys later. Toad, good stuff. Good stuff, Toad. We'll continue with this one with the remaining mini arcs for the stream. All right. So I'll catch you guys later. Late, man. I mean, it happens to the best. All right, though. I'll catch you guys and gals for on Tuesday for the mini arcs. Peace. Have a nice goddamn night. Boy, that's a go. Oh yeah, and then so tomorrow JoJo's on D Live as well as other anime.